We're just fishing off the rock here for a few little herring, and Timmy's hooked something big here.
Watch that bucket line.
Mate. Oh, it's peeling the line off, Toss. Whoa, bloody go. We seem to think it's a fish with a lump of seaweed, but we're soon going to find out. Oh, look at Timmy work. Jesus. Wow. That's what it is. Looks like we have a Chinese tonight. Saturday afternoon, 16th of December. Cape Arid National Park. The lads are just set up. We're in for a big haul tonight. And here we have Sir Mulloway setting up his rig. It's looking alright here, Raymond.
Well, if there's herring, there could be anything. Let's hope that's the case.
Let's hope that's the case, mate.
We've got at least, 10 or 12 herring already, so
yep,
that's good.
Got some good bait. Yeah. There's Fatty Herring over here setting up his rod. He hasn't been out fishing with us for many a year, so he's making a huge comeback tonight. He better not let us down. Jimmy's got his rod in the water already. Keen as. Any bites, Toss?
Yeah, a couple little ones.
Couple little ones. Splaining. Way over the distance there, you got some Cape Arid geese. They're keeping an eye on me. Sun's just about gone down there. Sensational afternoon, Cape Arid National Park. I hope we get a big haul tonight. Oh, I think Timmy's hooked one here. I seen it jumping out of the water. Oh mate, game on. Oh, look at him go.
Big bloody big salmon toss.
It looked like a salmon. Big salmon. Oh, Timmy, first strike of the night.
Just talking about that too, right?
We were. Oh, look at this. Awesome. Well, here we are. We've got marinated chicken legs going on the Snow Peak fire pit. Timmy's keeping an eye out on the rods, nothing as yet. Come on, Toss.
Pull your weight, mate, pull your weight. Something's going to happen soon, I know.
Something's going to happen soon, it's bloody better.
Just eat one of them legs, right?
Don't let Raymond hear the chicken.
Time. I'll get under you.
Well, what do we got here? Fatty Herring, last cast of the night. He's already set his swag up, ready to hit the sack. Come on, mate. We've caught nothing all night, don't let us down. Geez, you're pretty casual about it.
Crab.
What, you got a crab? A mulloway?
Joking?
Fucking joking.
Lovely. Baby.
Oh, wow. Check that out.
Must have been half dead, wasn't it? You'll enjoy eating that.
It's been on there for about 3 hours.
Awesome.
Oh, look at that, Raymond.
Nice little mulloway, man.
Just after 6 o'clock Sunday morning. Guys, fairly howling. Boys are packing up the gear. Righto, we're heading home, pump tyres up, making a quick brew for the road. Paddy's pumping his tyre. He's been a bit of a liability on this trip. It's not really organised with his gear. But he did catch the only mulloway, so we're going to let him off. And we'll have a meeting when we get home and see if he's let to come back on another trip.